morning. This is Charmy, your Airbnb host here in Tagaytay. Andito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga vilay namin, located in Las Brisas de Tagaytay. Here, nakaka-accommodate kami ng 15 to 16 persons, good for big group. By the way, we have here a private pool. Ayan, may optional heated pool dito. Kung gusto nyo ipag-heated, yun, additional payment tayo ng 3,000. Dahil yung gas tank nga yung ginagamit natin to heat the pool. And by the way, ito yung aming kasama ko. Ayan. Kasi kaka-check out lang ng guest namin. Ito si Nanay Daisy. Ayan. Nanay Daisy. Ayan. Nanay Daisy. Si Nanay. At si Maris, ayan, nag-vacuum na kami, nagpe-prepare na kami for our next guest today. So, guys, this is 4-bedroom unit, ha? This is a 4-bedroom private house with private pool. If you are interested to book us, please message me. I can give you our Airbnb link and you can also book directly sa amin. Ayan. Okay? Bye!